Data centers are the heart of your business, but managing them shouldn't feel like heart surgery. Are you still relying on spreadsheets that are out of date the moment they're saved? Inaccurate data leads to stranded capacity, wasted energy, and, worst of all, costly downtime. When you don't know exactly what you have, you can't plan for what's next. DCIM, Data Center Infrastructure Management, is the bridge between IT and facilities. It's the single pane of glass that turns chaos into clarity. Meet Cormant-CS. Since 2001, we've been helping global enterprises gain absolute control over their infrastructure, from the data center to the campus edge. With over 36,000 hardware templates, visualization is instant. You can view your racks in 2D or 3D, track every cable, and manage power and environmentals in real time. Unlike other solutions, Cormant-CS goes where you go. Our unmatched mobile app works online or offline, ensuring your smart hands keep records accurate right at the rack, even without a connection. Cormant-CS doesn't live in a silo. It integrates seamlessly with your existing CMDB, BMS, and workflow tools, creating a unified ecosystem for your entire team. That's why we have a 94% retention rate. From governments worldwide, military and secure sites, to global financial hubs, our users trust Cormant-CS for its security, scalability, and ease of use. Stop managing the chaos and start managing your success. Visit us at Cormant.com to book a personalized demo today. Cormant-CS, Infrastructure Managed.
Have questions or need support? We're here to help.